Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to on Do Not Disturb in iQoo phone. Guys, you want to on Do Not Disturb in iQoo phone, so guys you can on in this video guys I will show you how to on Do Not Disturb in iQoo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you are in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting. To on Do Not Disturb, sound setting, scroll it, Do Not Disturb, turn on now. So when Do Not Disturb will on in your iQoo phone. So I think friends we have understood how to on Do Not Disturb in iQoo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.